Good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex Harry Private Limited. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. Dollar yen on the daily chart, we can see that it's a very bearish movement. Market break downwards over here, retrace up. Alright, did not touch the previous support, which has turned resistance and continue to head down. Alright, so head down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that this block of consolidation is what I'm waiting for, a retest to the high. If you are a very sharp harmonic pattern trader, you have spotted a pattern here, haven't you? Head down to the 1-hour chart, you can see an even clearer of the harmonic pattern. Back to the daily chart, while I'll share with you my analysis. You can of course pause the video, identify the pattern and continue to watch. Alright, so let me share with you my analysis on the daily chart. There is a bullish bad pattern for a buying opportunity at 10559. Over here on this consolidation is my focus for a selling opportunity. So let us head down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that this is a sell zone and the harmonic pattern I was referring to, a bearish shark formation, looking to complete at 10843. So waiting for a shorting opportunity at that price. On the 1-hour chart is even clearer. There's even a smaller block of this selling opportunity, a sell zone over here. Alright, within the D price. Beautiful. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. If you love to see the development of this trade, join us on Facebook Live this upcoming Wednesday on 6:08 PM Singapore time, www.facebook.com/forexharry.org. Till then, remember always plan your trend, your plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.